Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe, two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Four, subscribe. Alright. Our lesson for today is how to divide monomial by a monomial. And this is again for quarter 2, week 4. And this is your teacher Marife Adonis. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing by Walt Disney. Okay, so we have now division of monomials. Okay, so in dividing a monomials, so we are particularly uh, following the rules, no? So we have the quotient of power, which is the second law of the exponent. To divide powers with the same base, subtract the exponent of the denominator from the exponent of the numerator or dividend to get the exponent of the quotient. Okay, so for example, we have 8 raised to 5 or power of 5 divided by a squared is equals to a raised to 5 minus 2. So that is a cube. Okay, so particularly we are um, subtracting the exponent. No? Unlike multiplication, we add, this time we subtract. So next example, 6 raised to 8 or 6 raised to the power of 8 and then divided by 6 raised to the cube or 6 cube is equals to 6 raised to 8 minus 3, that is 6 raised to the power of 5. Okay, so this time we have a monomial, no, divided by, okay, so how are we going to do this? So this one we can write as like this, no? So 18 uh, quantity times quantity A plus B raised to the power of 6 divided by 3 times the quantity A plus B. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. And then so we have A plus B. 6 minus 2 is 4 because we just subtract. So okay, so we need to, because it's look like 5, no? Actually that is B. And okay, next. So we have here 16 y raised to 5 divided by, no, because hindi siya naisulat mabuti, that's 2y squared. That is 16 divided by 2 is equals to 8. And then 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So y cubed. Okay. So these are all the quotients. Next. So let's have this, no? So we have now the power of fraction or the sixth law of exponents. So here the nth power of quotient where the divisor is not zero in the ninth or the nth power of divisor. Okay, so we have here some rules to follow. Okay, so for example, mm, okay, so example here, later, no? Okay, so let's have this. So we have number one and number two. Okay, so we have here, since this is cube, we can rewrite that as 3 cube. Okay, so 3 cube, then x 4 times 3 is equals to 12 over, mm, that is x to the sixth power, because 3 times 2, and then y cube. So 6 cube is 27. 3 cube is 27 because 3 times 3 is equals to 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So 27, then uh, 12 minus 6 is equals to x raised to 6 over y cube. Since walang kapareho yung y cube, sa baba lang siya ilalagay, no? We need to go up. Okay, for this number 2, so we have 2 cube, a 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Then b cube over a cube. So 2 cube is equals to 8 because 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. So we have 8. Then 6 minus 3, no, that is a cube, b cube. Okay, so all you have to do is subtract the exponent. Yes, the exponent, no, and then here. Okay, so we have here two group. So what are you going to do? So first, we need to rewrite x cube y cube over 2xy times, okay, this one, that will be 4 over xy. Then try to multiply 4, or we can directly cancel. So cancel natin to. Ang natira na lang ay 2. Then we can cancel this. This will become x square, and also we can cancel this. It's y square, no? So just remember to, okay, so bawasan pa rin natin because of this. So x na lang. The same also here. Okay, so y na lang, no? So 2 times 4 is equals to 8 x y. Okay, it's xy. That is it. Okay, so I think I need to change the color. It's quite, I think red is not no, suitable. So here we have x 5 minus 2, that is x cubed. And then here we have, okay, so since a 4 minus 6, okay, so that would be a raised to negative 2, but wala pong no? So we need to make this positive, just write 1 here above, and then baba mo siya to make it positive. Okay, and then here because we have certain rules that that would be 3 minus 3, or that would be m raised to 0, but there is no 0. The answer is the whole number 1, no? That for any non-zero number, a raised to 0 is equals to 1. That is the rule, no? And if it is negative, no? Like for example, we have this for any non-zero number a and any for example, we have a raised to n negative n. So we have this rule, no, that will become a raised to n. So that to make it positive, that's what we did here. Okay, so yan ang ginawa natin. Next. So quotient with monomial division. So let's read this. To divide a monomial by a monomial, use the commutative and associative properties to rearrange factors to simplify using the quotient rules for exponents. So to divide a polynomial by a monomial, use a distributive law or simplify using the quotient rules for the exponent. So in symbols, when a, b, and c are real numbers and c is not equal to 0. Okay, so let's simplify. Okay, so we have here, we are given examples. Okay, so 18 divided by 3 is negative 6. So 8 minus 4 is equals to x raised to 4. And then we have here negative 25 divided by 5. Negative 5 is 5. Then 5 minus 2 is equals to a cube. 5 minus 3 is a square. So the final answer is 5a cubed b square. Then here 11m square divided by negative 11m square, so that's equals to 11, or the answer is simply 1. You can cancel directly, no? So you can cancel directly, so the answer is 1. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so for questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Okay, love you guys. Instagram. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers, and of course, thank you to all the love and support. Love you all guys. Keep on watching and keep on listening to the tutorial videos.